Hi guys, welcome to DIY with Lenny. Today I'm going to show you on how to make some flower arrangements for a small half bath or powder room. These are the flowers that I'm going to use for a pitcher. If you have a pitcher like this one, guys, like mine, if you love those, I know I do. I love to use them for flower arrangements for every season and every holidays. These are gonna go in my small bathroom or a powder room. So let's start over here. These flowers I got from Hobby Lobby last year, and this is going to be for Easter and spring. So I have 2 ferns and then the 2 flower bush. Okay, and also for the small pitcher, I'm gonna use the roses and some hydrangea. This is actually from Michaels and it was on sale for, let's see here, $10.97 and it was $18.99 last year. This is actually a bouquet, guys, and I just love the way it looks, so I just grabbed it and used it for my flower arrangements. That way it's not a big deal, you know, when you decorate something fast. So, okay, let's start putting them together. Okay guys, we're gonna start with the bushes first. And this is going to go on top of my toilet. Okay. So the only reason why I use 2 of them because it's too much otherwise if I have 3 in there. Then I'm just gonna go add the, so we're just gonna fold the fern and add it on sides. We're not cutting anything again in this. Okay, that's done. And this one is just very simple. I'm just gonna plop them in there, and that's pretty much it. This is the basket I'm going to use for the on top of the toilet. So let's go check it out. Okay guys, this is my powder room. Very small, but I like to decorate that so that it looks warm and inviting in here for the guests. So on this little wall, I just like to put some flower picture frame. And this is the toilet. So that's what the flower arrangement looks like. Very simple but beautiful. Easy to do. Some toilet papers. So the basket is kind of give that a storage. Okay. And then you go on this side of the walls. I got my Easter towel, hand towels in there. And then for the sink, that's it guys. Very simple and easy, but very nice and warm and cute in there. That's it. Thank you so much for watching DIY with Lenny. Have a good day, guys, and God bless you. Goodbye.